Alright, y'all boys, Windows in 2026 is cooked, bro. It doesn't matter if you have a toilet PC or $1,000 gaming PC, your performance is gonna be ass. But luckily, Arch Linux exists. As one of the hardest operating systems in the world to install, all you get is a black screen called a console, and then you have to handcraft your whole operating system using only code, like a fucking version. This means you can strip all the useless Windows garbage, all the Bill Gates Gooner spyware, and squeeze every last FPS out of your PC. Which is exactly what I tried in today's video, and the results were insane. How the f do I have less subs than f***ing Ali, bro? Sub up right now. And follow my Twitch, you know what I'm saying? I'm streaming on there. No, I don't want to miss that. This is my $2,000 PC from like 2022 or some shit. Look at the FPS this James Charles Toes is getting. 350 FPS. When I just got this PC, I used to get 1,000 FPS. We don't even get 100 FPS, gang. Let's see if we can win a game. But this is Fortnite, you know. You could say a fairly difficult to run game. Let me show y'all the performance in one of the most easiest games to run of all time. CS2, bro. For context, when I just got this PC, RTX 3070. On CS2, no matter what settings, what map, I was easily getting like 500 to 600 FPS while jerking off. But now, bro, we don't even get 240 FPS on fucking Counter-Strike. My dick can get more FPS. Let me get 1D. Alright, so boys, so it's time to start the installation of the Linux Arch. The first step before we do anything is gonna be Arch Linux guide. Fuck you thought this was, bro? 1, 2, 3, 5. Bro, it's only 5 steps, bro. It's fucking calm, only 5 steps. Okay, Arch Linux install medium. Holy fucking, oh my god. 1.5. Set the console keyboard layout and font. The default console key map is US. Okay, then I'm just not gonna change it. I don't give a fuck. Fonts. I don't give a fuck about fonts either. To verify boot mode, check the UEFI bitness. Then I have to type all this shit.
Get sys firmware EFI fuck with platform size.
If the command returns 64, the system is booted in UEF. Partition the disk. This is important since I cannot wipe the fucking PC, bro. I have to put it on a second partition. Yeah, so basically I'm trying to dual boot Windows and Linux so I don't lose my Windows and everything on it on my James Charles topic. So let's not fuck this up. Fdisk -1. ROM loop or check that your NVMe. What the fuck? Yeah, and after really trying to understand the most important part of the installation, I don't understand a fucking letter that I'm reading right now, so fuck the fucking double whatever the fuck. Okay, step 2, installation. Let's fucking go, bro. We're doing good so far. Packages to be installed must be downloaded from mirror servers, which are the higher. What the fuck?
The higher a mirror is placed in the list, the more priority it is given when downloading a package.
Okay, I'm just gonna type in this code and see what happens. Boom. Permission denied. Okay, we're just gonna skip this step. 2.2. Install essential packages. User space utilities for file systems that will be used
For the purposes of file
文件系统创建
and they just fucking tell me what to fucking type in to fucking install fucking But before we continue any further, let me introduce y'all to Resin Tweaks, where you can buy the best tweaks for your PC, you feel what I'm saying? So let me just show y'all how crazy they are, bro. This is my shitty ass FPS before Resin Tweaks. Now I just download the extreme panel and just apply everything by simply clicking. There's Windows tweaks, ping tweak, even different game tweaks like 5M or Valorant. And in approximately half an hour, my processes have decreased crazy and my FPS has increased crazy. From no bitches to Riz God. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, bro, Resin Tweaks got it. So if you're interested, bro, make sure to use code Bandz at checkout for an extra $5 off and to help your boy out. You feel what I'm saying? Buy me some more dildo. For human convenience? Like, what the fuck is this shit not made for human?
20 minutes later.
Okay, if I go to the last step and just don't do anything, it says reboot and exit, and you will be in Arch Linux. So I'm just gonna type exit and maybe we just reboot into the Arch Linux. Alright, bro, we just loaded into Windows. This shit absolutely nothing. Yo, I can't lie, bro.
Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to install Arch Linux on your physical computer the easy way.
Yeah, so after doing the first few easy steps via the tutorial.
In order to start, all you have to do is type in Arch install and press enter. This is
No one got that.
Again, this will make things a lot easier to install.
So from here, I just followed the steps in the video. It was quite easy. Before I had to do this.
Which desktop environment I want to run. If you don't know of all the available desktop environments, just go through and do a quick Google search.
I have to pick my environment I want to use, which is basically the OS. It's gonna shape the whole way things look, things work, how compatible it will be and easy to use, and if it's high FPS or low FPS, etc, etc. And okay, so can't lie, I'm just gonna choose this KDE Plasma because the tutorial did so. Yeah.
Additional packages. If there are additional packages that you know about, you can enter them in. I'm not bothering with this. Again,
Okay,
if
so,
you have
so that whole like 67 steps, and they're optional. Yo, bro, whoever wrote that fucking Arch Linux fucking guide, bro, I hope you get smacked in the fuck. And about 10 minutes of installing later, I know some version somewhere is getting hard to this right now, bro. Like. Yo, I can't lie, that shit was easy as fuck. Right off the bat, this shit is feeling mad smooth to use, bro. They got a bunch of customization, bro. You can put this shit in dark mode. Boom, we got the dark mode on that. You got the animation speed slider. Put that bit on instant. Then it go boom. You put that little bit on slow. Ooh. Wallpaper. I think we know what time it is. Boom! We got the James Charles titties unlocked on Linux, you feel what I'm saying? I can't lie, we have full 950 gigs, which means the dual boot installation keeping my old Windows did not work. Let's just get to installing games, you feel me? Epic Games. Download Epic Games Launcher. Download the Epic Game Launcher. It's not downloading, guy. Epic Games. Bro, they don't. Why does Epic Games Launcher install not work on Arch Linux? Windows only application. Okay, so deadass, we're not gonna act like that happened, you feel me? This is a CS2 video. Get Steam.
Bro, if fucking Steam doesn't fucking work, I'm actually gonna kill myself.
Okay, Steam seems to work. Okay, we're good. Boom, we're installing CS2. Yo, I have 1 gigabyte per second internet speed. Gang, yo, is Linux boosting my internet speed as well? But everything from here started going absolutely wrong. I'ma just show all the aftermath, bro. Alright, bro, so it's 2:30 a.m. I just finished recording everything and the results for Linux. I go and check my recordings. This one is perfectly fine, you feel what I'm saying? These are my other 2 recordings. Just straight my lock screen while I was literally in the fucking game gaming. Please somebody kill whoever made fucking Linux, gang.
Yo, if you also mess with bad bees like this, make sure to follow my IG at bandz.rt, so I might have a slight chance of bagging these bad bees.
Alright, bro, so since I lost the entire 2-hour recording, bro, I just speedrun the rest of the video, bro. So I'm gonna boot up the game. I'm gonna load into exactly the same map as we did the previous test on exactly the same settings. I'm gonna show you all the results. We're basically getting low 200s, high 100s, which is exactly the same as we were getting before.
Somebody please tell me what Linux is for.
Yo, if I hit this sniper, rest in peace Johnny Kirk. Shoot. Full scope headshot. Please tell me what Linux is for. Yes, Windows might be ass. This shit is exactly the same.